Mafalda, Joel,
Yeah.
welcome.
Hi.
You're from Gema.
Gema is a creative technology company, and we develop interactive and immersive solutions for experiences. And we are really focused on VR and AR for brand activation.
Clubs like Benfica or telecoms like Altice or pharmaceutical companies like Merck.
Giving a message and for communicating in a different and immersive way that is really effective, and the brands are starting to realize that. It's amazing because even the more traditional companies are starting to be to feeling attracted by this technology. We have an example of that with Cambridge University Press, that is the oldest editor in the world, that is now getting the newest technology in the world to communicate their brand and their products.
So everybody's coming to Lisbon.
We see lots of companies that are just starting to switch their investments to Portugal and to Lisbon. Companies like Volkswagen,
Mercedes,
like Google.
I think we witness a lot, like a mix of different factors. Not only a lot of brands, not only a lot of talent is coming more to Portugal, to Lisbon. I think altogether it makes it really more interesting to come and visit. But above all, I think the investment made by different, so private and public, in terms of the startups and the projects that have been developed to help like companies to grow and start to produce on this sort of technology is very, very interesting.
Tenho que vir para Portugal. Venham para Portugal. It's going to be a blast, yeah.